So weird things keep happening. My Facebook's been hacked. My phone keeps turning itself off. I'm just not getting anywhere today. So let's just see if this happens. And if not, it wasn't meant to be. It stopped after 2 seconds. It's a good one too. Okay. We're all going to be included in this. We all need it. Spiritually, we feel strong. Spiritually, we feel strong. Spiritually, we feel strong. It's a bit of escape, submission, freeze energy in there. When we're being attacked from all directions, it's hard to stay strong. It is okay. It is okay to be spiritual and abundant. It is okay to be spiritual and have abundance. We are blessed by divine light. We are blessed by divine light. We are open to receiving divine light in our lives. We are beings of love and light. We feel power through our spirituality. We access spiritual wisdom from the cells in our body. We access the spiritual wisdom from the cells in our body. 999, 999, 999. Raise that vibration. 999, 999, 999. Fill every cell in your body with love and light. Release the evil, release the negativity, release the damage, release the toxins. 999, 999, 999. I move along my spiritual path with ease and grace. We move along our spiritual path with ease and grace. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999. Okay. We are open to divine light in our life. We are open to receiving divine light in our lives. 999, 999. Release the fear of receiving divine light. 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. Escape, submission, freeze. I am open to increasing the spirituality in my life. My spiritual side increases with ease. My spiritual side is expressed with ease and grace and love and light. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. Pain and punishment circuits. I release all judgment I place on myself. We release all judgment we place on ourselves. Everyone is entitled to their own spiritual path. I release all judgment of anyone on their spiritual journey. 999, 999, 999. Okay. Just a little shorty. I'm feeling a bit buzzy. That's really nice. It's sort of got the energy flowing. It's just got the cells shimmying, which is really lovely. Hope you all have a splendiferous day. Enjoy. Take care.